everybody, and welcome to my channel. It's Mimi J, Just Life. Hi. As you can see, Lily's laid out on the couch over there. Tonight, we're going to do a really easy, quick, doesn't take long, at least not to make just one, and it wouldn't take that long to make even more. But we're going to make some fabric flowers for decorating. And we're going to use the Dollar Tree Leis to make them. You can see what they look like right here. I made these out of one of the 4th of July Leis, which come 3 to a pack. So really I still have 2 Leis left if I want to make some more with these. What do we do with them? Well, lots of things. And we don't have to buy them at the craft store and pay a lot of money for them. So this one I just made, and make sure you can see it. Real pretty. I like the 2 different colors and how that does. You need the flowers, the petals from the wreath, and you can see I have a lot of them over here. I just cut that, and on these it was actually armbands. 2 armbands came with this set, and a headband, and 1 lei. So I have already cut the lei and have all these little flower petals over here. All you do is snip it and just take them all off. They come off very easily. You'll get a lot of these, the dividers, what separated the flowers on that lei. And if you have something you want to use them for, by all means save them. I just don't know of anything right this minute, so I don't think I'm going to save mine. So you do need a pair of scissors. You just cut this and take everything off. I've already done that over here. And then you need some brads, however many you need for the number of flowers you're going to make. These came from Michael's. I want to say that Dollar Tree has brads, but I'm not quite sure. Your Dollar Tree might. So anyway, these came from Michael's. Brads tend to have some kind of fancy design on the front, as these are very pretty. And then on the back, they're simply these 2 metal pieces. And so we are going to need 1 for the flower that we'll make. So just bend those and pull that out. And then you may notice on these are really thick. I used all the red petals because I just wanted to see how thick that flower would be. So on that 1 lei, I took all the red petals in 1 flower. If I wanted to use that in a little girl's hair decoration, say a headband or something like that, that would be fine. If I wanted really thick flowers like that to put on a wreath, that would be cute. But really for paper crafts, you don't need them to be that thick. 6 or 7 is what I used in this one. So that's what I'd say for paper crafts, because just taking this, so whether it's card or for a pocket letter, and take it's a little bit big for that, but you could still put something down here and I think make that pretty. But scrapbooking, cards, those would be great places to use this, if not for hair decorations or wreaths. And I'm sure you have lots of ideas on that too, if you're a crafter, about things that you can do. So I really like that. So cute. So let me just show you how I did it. Take that pointy end and put them close together. This is fabric, but it's flimsy. Let me make sure I'm down here where you can see. So the end of the brad, all you're going to do is poke it through. Just poke it through from the front to the back. And you probably can do more than 1 at a time if you want, but I like to make sure they're lined up. So here's the second one, and you will see it doesn't take much at all to do that. You might have to kind of try to work these back together a little bit, because I did notice they want to keep pushing apart as I work, which is probably just because they're not totally together. That's fine, that's not a problem at all. So I've got 3 on now, and 4, and 5. So now we've got 5, and I said generally about 6 for these that I'm going to use for the crafting, the paper crafts. That's what I'm making mine for. So let me see, I think that was 6. Let's do maybe one more. And this is your preference, your personal preference, but really you don't want them too thick if they're just being used for paper crafts, because, you know, they're probably going to have to go in an envelope, and you don't want them too thick. So there it is. That's it. All I did was bend these out on the back side so that they're flat out, and that's not going anywhere. That's staying right there until you glue it with your hot glue somewhere else. And I'm going to use these, or at least a few of these, for an embellishment box. And I think I have mentioned these a couple of times, and there are lots of videos on YouTube for embellishment boxes. These, I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to decorate the outside of this yet, but if I don't use these on the outside, I'm going to use this color. Some will definitely go on the inside. I really like the white ones with this, so you certainly could decorate outside, but since you can use them with the paper crafts, put them inside. What are people doing with embellishment boxes if you're not familiar with them? They swap them. There are different groups. Some of them I think are actually through Instagram, probably mainly, but there probably are some on Facebook too. I'm not actually in one. Not in a group. I just wanted to make a few, mainly, you know, to keep or give as gifts. I think this would be an awesome idea for the summer, for if you've got a child at home or a grandchild that you could work with and show how to make these. I think they could just have loads of fun and swap them with friends. So that's really all there is to it. That is easy peasy. I like these fast crafts. So like I said, you could do a wreath, you can do many things with those, whatever you want to do. So I appreciate you coming by. I appreciate that. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you have fun making these. I hope that you like the video, and that if you do, you will click like and click subscribe, because I'd love to have you come back and see some more. Okay, take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.